A very warm welcome to the Daily Crypto Vision, Jan Robert Schut of Crypto Academy. And we see that the cryptos are a little bit recovering from the losses of last days. And the pluses are not too much. Bitcoin is 1% higher, Ethereum 2.7%, XRP 1%, and also Litecoin 5.8%. That is quite okay. As we see, the BTC dominance hovering around 63% is not too much, too many changes. And also market cap $281 billion. It's shy of $300 billion. I see some strange news. Well, strange because Belgium regulated adds new crypto-related businesses to its blacklist. And of course, it's good to warn against fraud. And I don't know how you think about it, but I think it's not about cryptos, but in scams in general. Nevertheless, Belgium's Financial Services and Markets Authority (FSMA) has updated its blacklist of cryptocurrency-related websites associated with fraudulent activities. The FSMA made the update following a number of complaints from Belgium-based users who dealt with fraudulent offers from investment in digital currencies, according to a February 21 announcement. And after the latest revision, the FSMA's list now includes a total of 141 websites offering cryptocurrency-related services. And the FSMA further warned that the list is based on customer reports and that the agency's own findings, meaning that it does not include all crypto-related businesses that might be illegally operating in Belgium. Previously, the FSMA issued similar warnings to cryptocurrency investors, outlining that they should be wary of companies that claim to hold authorities from supervisory authorities. This is a very frequently used technique. However, these are often cases of identity theft. Feel free to ask the FSMA to confirm the information you have received, the AG said then. In June last year, a Belgian FPS economy rolled out a website for raise awareness of the risks associated with investment in cryptos. At the time, Belgian investors had reported a loss of $2.2 million in crypto scams, according to the FPS in 2018. The FPS said that this was just the tip of the iceberg, as only 4% of crypto fraud cases had been reported. Per their estimations, investors in Belgium lose about $130 million to crypto scams each year. And authorities of countries around the world provide informational support for cryptocurrency investing in a bid to insure them from potential losses. And in January, the State Security Board in the American state of Texas included cryptocurrencies in a list of top threats to investors. A dedicated guide warned, quote, promoters' claims of secure cryptocurrency-related investments and guaranteed profits should be approached with caution. Cryptocurrencies tend to be extremely volatile, and investors may be unable to quickly liquidate products tied to them, unquote. And meanwhile, the Financial Stability Board of Chair Randall Qualls has voiced his concerns regarding how quickly digital currencies are affecting the global economy, while regulatory action struggles to keep up. So this is a very big mouthful of warnings, and I think it's very a little bit pathetic because this has nothing to do with cryptos per se. And always we say, if you want to trade, go to an exchange where you have your own holdings in your own wallet or on the exchange like BBOD, Coinflex, Deribit, Binance, and other safe exchange that you can trade yourself, so you don't have to be dependent of others. So and it's also that they say cryptocurrencies tend to be extremely volatile. There is nothing to do with the crypto scams because when they are scamming, they just want to take your money and run. So nothing to do with cryptos per se. But of course, be careful and nothing. There's no such thing as a free lunch. And for our uh, daily crypto visions and also for our portfolio, I want to add some coins again today. And here we see some charts. This is a chart of BTC, still into the plus. Here you see on trading, based on the trade navigator, a plus, a signal to buy on the daily basis, on a weekly basis as well. A little bit small correction, but still into the plus. So we have to have a little bit patience. If you want to take a look for more information, go to our YouTube channel, Facebook channel, and Instagram, and also to our LinkedIn page, and of course our website cryptoacademy.nl. Hasta la vista.